Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a color changing text effects using only InShot. It's super easy and by the end you will have a smooth and professional looking text animations. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your InShot and create a new project and then just choose a black background like this. This will make the text colors pop and look more aesthetic. Now tap on the text and then add text and then just type in whatever you want. This could be your name or a quote or just a simple word. Just type anything that you like. And then choose the font that you like. Maybe like this. Next, let's change the color. Just go to color and then just select your favorite color. Maybe like this. And once you're happy, just export these clips. Just tap on export. And then just go back to your projects and select the text again. And then just change it to another color. Maybe I will choose yellow. And then just export again. And then just repeat these steps as many times as you want until you have several clips. It's with the same text but in different colors. And once you're done, just go back to your project and then just import all of those clips. Like this, and then just delete the old clips like this, and then adjust the durations of each one if needed, but in this tutorial maybe I will just keep it the durations like this. And then to make the transition smooth, just apply the same transitions to all the clips. Just pick something simple like a fade or dissolve so the focus stays on the color change. So I will choose these transitions and then I will adjust the durations like this, and then just tap this icon to apply the transitions to all the clips. Like this. And now for the final touch, just go to effects and then just choose film sections, and then just choose darken, this one. And you can also adjust the value if needed, but in this tutorial I will just keep the value like this. And then just duplicate these effects until all clips have the same effects. This will give your text a nice cinematic look. Like this. And the final result, it will look like this. And that's it, you have just made a color changing text effect in InShot. It's super simple but it looks really professional. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.